multiple projects. So, like in my 25 year of journey, I learn a lot and I become a true leader from a true software engineer.
Key changes have you witnessed in the IT landscape over the years, and how have you adapted to these changes?
So when I joined professional career, at that time Fox Pro, Cobol and the things was there in a market. But immediately after I joined in a 2 3 years, market has started the new technology, Java and other technologies, web threadings and all that. So I thought let's try with the new technology. Let's adopt the new technology, go for something new rather doing a traditional thing. So that make me to help my career in a good shape and adapting a new challenge, adapting a new technology is helping me in a grow ahead and making my career more successful. Currently, everybody is talking about AI, everybody is talking about blockchain,
Right.
everybody is talking about the ML. So these are not the new topics. People are listening the word since few years, but the actual uses of AI, ML, and blockchain is still not adopted by the manufacturing industries. Yeah, there is a path, there is a way. In the next 3 4 5 years, people may start using AI, ML into the real scenario.